So how's it going, guys? Here, Stevie the Ioniq. So let's do a quick recap here. So how was my Tesla Supercharger experience? But the first thing I should tell you, it wasn't what I expected, because the process was pretty straightforward to enable to charge and stuff. It was pretty good. So you go to the app, you select your stall, and then you plug it in, and then you charge, which is pretty good. And that's the stuff that I like. So the process was really simplistic, which I really like, and the reliability, doesn't matter what happened, you come in, the charger will always work. So those are the stuff that I like. And then it's a great thing that Tesla opened the charger to other non-Tesla vehicle. So those were the couple of stuff that I like. And the stuff that I didn't like was then, because you're not a Tesla owner, you pay more for it. So I pay around 80 cents per minute, which is a bit high. And I talked to one of the Tesla owner that was charging. He was paying around 50 cents per minute, which makes sense, yeah, because the Tesla owner, then they pay less. I'm not complaining about that part, but then I understand. And then the other thing, I was only getting then 42 kilowatt, not even 50. I was getting 42 kilowatt. And after a while, it went down to 32, which was pretty weird. And I talked to one of the Tesla owner that was charging the vehicle. They were getting about 60 kilowatt, and that's not very high for a supercharger. I thought they would get around 100, 150. But maybe this one is the older version, because I know they're rolling out an update version of the supercharger. Maybe this one is the older one. But yeah, so that was some of the stuff that I like and didn't like about it. Yeah, so something you should know, the issue that I had was specific to Ioniq 5, because on this Tesla superchargers, this one is a version 3 supercharger. So they only limit Ioniq 5 to only charge 42 kilowatt, because Ioniq 5 and Tesla have two different architecture. So their system doesn't communicate well. In order for us to ramp up to a better speed, or to maximum speed, Tesla have to it's a software thing essentially. They have to unlock the software on their side, so we're able to ramp up to a higher speed. But the other thing also is that if you go to a supercharger version 2, so the one that I have was version 3. So if you go to a Tesla supercharger version 2, they don't have that cap. You will be able to charge to 97 to 100 kilowatt at least. So, I don't have any Tesla version 2 supercharger in my area, so I wasn't able to do that test, but I did some research, and some people that had Ioniq 5 were able to do that. So that's essentially it. So I guess I won't be using this Tesla supercharger often. It will only be for emergency. And then hopefully Tesla will be able to push that software so that Ioniq 5 owner can ramp up the charger experience, for sure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, be on the horizon for more content on the way.
Charging started.